Guys, so this is the painted version. All right, we're gonna wait until the paint is dry here so we can be able to continue repainting it again, right? Because we must make sure that the rain does not affect this one. That's the only thing that I'm afraid about, because the lightning, now I've solved it. I used the pole there to hold on the lightning down so it won't affect the cable, even my cable here. Right, you can see they are outside, they're not inside the pole. You should avoid putting cables inside this pole. All right, so we'll wait up until it is dry, then we will be able to repaint it for the last time, and then we'll go use it. So I decided to add this one as our mounting bracket. All right, it's just a square bracket, this one. All right, so okay, we'll meet there in the second painting.